fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Congratulations to Jacob Hambing. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm. Should go to see should rain, should the storm. When friends turn this back on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out, I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call. I'll be there with empty hands. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for your smile, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dream, for my love will see you through.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to sign out as your host muli po. Ako po si Host Renz, the multi-talented, energetic host of Cagayan Valley. Again, for those who are asking, mga lumalapit na po kanina, parang ikakasal po sila soon. Sana wag po maghiwalay agad para ma-post ko kayo, kumita ako. My Facebook page is Energetic Host Renz, R-E-N-C-E. The multi-talented, energetic host of Cagayan Valley. Always say, giving joy is my mission, is spreading love is my vision. Mabalo ni kamo, Diyos inevolun. And this is the wedding reception of JM and Dane. Have a great night, everyone. Sa lahat ng gusto mag-party-party, papatugtugin na po namin playlist may sariling playlist ang ating and dear couple. May mga alak pa po tayo. Huwag muna kayong uwi, maki-party kayo sa kanila. Enjoy the rest of tonight.